Anyway, only one thing, straight question to all of you. I am a Deputy Chief Minister here. I am a party president here. My brother D.K. Suresh is the parliament member. Only one member from Karnataka, from the Congress party. All others are BJP members. You might have different issues, but now there is a Congress government here, which we did not get an MLA. Mr. Ramesh was not elected. But still, in our state, we have 136 members. My government is a strong government. Whatever may be the national issue, as far as Karnataka is concerned, we are here. You have a problem. You had an MLA. You voted for them. I have just seen the votes. Last time, we did not get proper votes. But still you approached the parliament member. Immediately, about 14 crores, 16 crores was being sanctioned, and the road has been. After I took over as the Bengaluru minister and the deputy chief minister, especially for Rajarajinagar and South and various parts, where there was no Kaveri water, I have allotted Kaveri. Even for the Panchayati, we have given. And all the 110 villages in next May end and June first week, we are going to cover all the 50 villages, and we have kept reserve of 10 TMC of water, Kaveri water to find. This is the commitment. You know that for the sake of water, ನೀರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಮೇಕೆದಾಟಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರುವರೆಗೂ ವಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟರ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ಡ್. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಸುರೇಶ್, ವಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ವಿ ಫಾಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. I have taken the minor irrigation department and the Mekedatu project only to see that I should contribute something to Bangalore and Karnataka. Today I have come before you. You people have to come to us. But I have come before you to request you. To your doors I am coming. I have come to request you. Nimma mane bagalage nanu bandidini ಇವತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೋಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಾವೇನು ವೋಟ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ವೋಟ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಐಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಲೈಟು ಮತ್ತೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮ್ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ನಿಮ್ ವೋಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವೋಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು, either for the local bodies or the assembly election or the parliament election. You all, whatever the ideology you may have, but ನಿಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. No Modi can do any work for you except Congress party and the local government which is here. I am the government here, I am the deputy CM here, I am the minister for water here, I am the minister for Bangalore development here. I am assuring you that you all have to join by me. I will see that your work is being done. So I request you to please see that Mr. D.K. Suresh, you know he is one of the best parliamentarians. He is fighting for Karnataka. During Corona time, you have seen bodies, for the dead bodies, they put on JCB. There was no place to burn. But Mr. Suresh, for every house, he has given medicine. For every house, food kits were been given. Am I right? Food kits were been given. And even vegetables were been given. And I became a president at that time. I fought for all the employees, all the citizens of the state. You should know that when even the central government minister, one Mr. Suresh Angadi, he was an MP and a minister, BJP did not give the body to be given to in his house, to Belgaum. But Mr. Suresh, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಸುರೇಶ್ ತನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರ ಎಣ ಮುಟ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತಾನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಪಿಪಿ ಕಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಎಣನ ಸುಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ಮೂಡದಂತ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ who participated in the funeral and is a part of that body, and I think you saw that TV and everything. So like that, he is on humanity grounds, without selfless. 24 hours he works for the constituency. It is one of the biggest constituency. Whomever is the candidate, we are least bothered. We have won. We will. In my constituency, I never go to the constituency. I look after the entire state. In my assembly segment, Mr. Ramesh might have lost. I won with a margin of 1,23,000 votes. Why people voted with 1,23,000 votes? It is because they for the affection and the love and the contribution what we have done to the people of Kanakpura. This is you should know. I represent Kanakpura, which is a part of your Bangalore rural parliamentary constituency. I appeal to all of you. You again have a meeting among yourself. Discuss among yourself. The entire wherever your booth is there, you should give at least 90% of the vote. Then only your conscience will be helpful. Otherwise, there is no use. Again, you will not have voice to ask us for. I am telling you. You should help us. I should help you. Number one. Number two, the young gentleman he was asking about temple. Who said Hindu temples are giving tax? Someone is giving a wrong information. No. What they have 10% of the tax, 10% of the whatever the money is being given to the temples, A-grade temples, that temple's money should go to the pujaris who are there, and to the village temples they should give that. In big temples, there are 25 temples are there. So big temples should give money to some small temples. That is the law. This BJP people take some temple. Is that not the village temple, our own temple? Is that not the village temple, our idol? In your compound also you may have a small temple. Is it your not duty to help that temple? Only not big temple of Tirupati or our other big temples. Even every diet is a diet. Even in your room also when you keep it diet is a diet. God is everywhere. There is no religion. It is your own personal religion, whichever you like. What you are thinking is wrong. Thinking about it. See, everyone, you can't change the constitution. Everyone is equal. I may be a Hindu, he may be a Christian, I am not also Hindu, I am a Shiv Kumar, I am also Hindu. We believe in everything. You should know that. D.K. Suresh has built more than 300 temples in my constituency. 300 temples in my constituency. Not one or two. I can make a list and send to you. So he is fighting for the right. I appeal to all of you. You please, before the election, one more meeting you should have. All of you should request. See, a deputy chief minister and a party president has come to your doors. You don't lose this opportunity. You all are ready to vote for us. You please tell yes. If you are telling no, that also I will come. No problem. See, it is a partner system. We will help you, you help us. See, you have seen there is a BJP government, double engine government in Delhi and in Karnataka. They would have taken care of all your requests. Since they could not do it, they have given people of Karnataka has given us a responsibility. ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. We gave 5 guarantee. 5 guarantee. We said all women are traveling free in the bus now. Do you agree? In the state, any state you are come from different part of the country. Anywhere it is there, all women are traveling free. Number one. All women, your employees, you may not get, at least your house employees, they are getting 2,000 rupees. Who are poor? 200 unit free, I think some of you are getting, some of you are not getting. But who are having 200 units, you are getting. Like that, various schemes, unemployed youth. Nowhere in the country, you might have come from the different part of the India. Nowhere such guarantee is there. In future also, we have come out 25 lakhs for every citizen. In Congress party, we have announced there will be insurance scheme. For women per year, 10 lakh rupees. For unemployed youth, about 1 lakh. For unemployed youth, 1 lakh we have announced. Unemployed youth with a training. So this all we have announced in the managed with 5 guarantee. I appeal to you. I am at your doorstep requesting you. A government is requesting you. A party is requesting you. We will do your service. You do our service. This is what my request is. I am confident. ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ delivered. I request you to again join hand. You see that your valuable vote, your vote, now it will be counted. Counted means there is a booth. Where is the booth? Opposite. Government school. You have about 1,300 votes. How much votes? 1,300. In that booth only, almost in one booth only, you will all your votes will be there. We will know that which side the DLF this one apartment has gone. So see that you should be very cautious. Tomorrow you should come and ask me. Don't think that we will leave you. We will not leave you. Or you can't leave me, we can't leave you. We will be in touch with you. Whatever you are speaking, you give a separate representation. Either it may be transportation or whatever lake issue. I am coming out with a policy that all the lakes we should safeguard. You have a very big lake adjacent to this. Because we should see that the groundwater will be important. Now this year we have faced a severe drought. I think we have to plan for the filling of the groundwater. We are just, no, I'm telling you the entire Bangalore, it is not Suresh area. Entire Bangalore we are just looking at. We have already planned for a metro connectivity here. We know the strength. It is one of the biggest constituency. You please don't miss this bus. Don't miss this opportunity. Power is coming to your hand. You take care of your hand. It is your own hand. It is your own hand. You have to vote for your own hand, not other side. You know what happened this one? Our flower will not dry away or fade away. Your hand always will be fresh. You see that your hand will be taken care of yourself.